Definitely, it's totally up to you how you are utilizing YouTube. Sorry, what
Yeah,
is this? Social
even
media. Sorry, how you are using social media is totally up to you, isn't it?
yeah,
Some people
and
are using in a negative way, so we can't expect from them they are get something, positive consequence. So it's totally up to us how we are utilizing social media. And first of thing, YouTube is boon for us to learn this language.
yeah, and one more thing that I'm not going to say that you should practice like 1 hour, 2 hours. No, 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 no. And even you can't, even if you don't have time, so okay, you can skip 1 day, 2 day, or it's okay. So I never practiced continuously. Whenever I got time, I just used to learn. So still, I must say that you don't need to do hard work here. No, no, no. So whenever you get time, whenever you feel to learn something, you can go and learn. So, but yeah, you must have a strong desire. Don't feel uh, bad. Don't feel like bored. Why during this journey? Just learn and learn and observe and speak. So,
Yes, yes. Something is better than nothing,
yeah, of course.
isn't it?
Hmm.
Yes.
I never ever thought about my benefits. Okay, so if I learn this language, so I will get this chance, I will get that chance. But I thought, okay, though I am uneducated, so of course one day I will speak this language. Because earlier I used to watch some channels, so where I saw some people are talking about this language, so I couldn't understand. So I thought one day, of course, I will understand this language. So now
Yes.
my dream
How
came
long have
true.
you been? Okay, how long it's been? How long have you been learning this language?
Yeah, actually, I had this desire to learn this language 5 or maybe 6 years ago, but I that time I didn't start learning. But yeah, I must say that 2 or 3 years ago I started learning. But that time I had only a grammar book that was not mine. That I borrowed from my one of my neighbors. So
Okay.
I returned that book because I I was not catching all the thing from that book because I didn't know what is written over there. So one day I returned that book saying that okay, it is so hard, I can't learn this language. So I am telling you, I gave up so many times, million times that okay, I can't learn this language. So when I bought this mobile, so I started watching so many play. I started watching movies and playing game. Again, I one day I thought okay, let's see whether I'm going to get some like teacher over there or not. And I searched and I found so many teacher and I solved my doubts and I started practicing again. And within like 1 year, like 6 months, I took 1 year to become like that.
That's
Hmm.
great. That's great. You are doing really hard work, and you are getting success as well on YouTube too, right? Your
Yeah,
channel is going on well. How do you feel now?
yeah, I'm doing great. I'm feeling great because earlier it was not harder to crack for me because earlier I didn't know how to use like smart mobile, and now I'm running a like YouTube channel. So it's like big happiness for me. Of course, I must say that now I have received one payment from my YouTube, and I also have some student. So I'm getting chance to guide other people as well. So I give them what I have observed. So by this way, they are also able to speak. So I feel so much happy that seeing other people that now just because of my trick they are able to speak. So that's everything for me. Yeah, that is like what for me that I have achieved so many
Great,
things
great.
in this language.
Social media is become boon for you, and especially your mobile, isn't
Yeah,
it?
without social media, I couldn't do that. Yeah, I
Oh,
still I was there like where I was earlier. So just because of social media, I have done it. And also I had like desire to learn this language. That is why. Yeah.
okay. After 1 or 2 years, where do you want to see yourself?
Yeah, I want to see myself to like as a teach as a trainer. Like of course I want to teach so many people. I want to tell them that this language is easy, it's a piece of cake for you. So I want to like motivate them. I want to like train them so that they can also speak this language. They can, I just I want to make environment for so many people that okay, this is a language you can learn. So my, I want to see myself as a trainer after like 5 years,
That's
1 years later.
That's great. You are doing hard work. Definitely, you will be
And
one day.
I'm not a teacher, but the way I have learned English, I just give them. And of course,
You
I
have
must say that,
experience, right?
hmm,
You have experience. You can
yeah,
make them understand what is the important thing to do to learn this language because you have gone through all the steps from scratch, isn't it? So you can explain, you can make them understand very properly, very thoroughly what is the exact thing you have to do to become like me, isn't
yeah.
it?
I just train my student catching their finger that okay, just a small step that when they don't know how to create any story, so I just speak one small story and I just tell them how you can speak this language, how can you create any story in your mind and using this type of structure and this type of word, and also how can you ask question related this story. So they get happy like within 2 or 3 days they say, oh sir, I can speak because earlier I didn't know how to speak in past time, present time and future time. Now I can see all the thing, all the situation that I can speak with the help of situation. I can speak now. Hmm.
Mm, that's great. Very good to know about you. Keep growing, keep signing like this on social media, especially. Social
Oh,
media is required like this, like you people who motivates the people, right?
yeah, so yeah, overall I would like to say that everyone can do anything and nothing is impossible. Like everything is
Possible.
what you want to do. So just keep on learning because life is so big to learn. So just keep on learning. So don't give up. Don't uh,
Yeah,
put your weapon down and you just keep on because you are alone in this world. Nobody is going to help you. All you have to do, only you have to do, because nobody is going
definitely.
to support you, nobody is going to help you. All the people have become like greedy and selfish. So if you are not strong, so you can be killed anytime. So thank you so much, ma'am, that video has become 30 minutes. So
Yes, yes. Thank you so much for giving lots of advice, and it's
yeah.
really made my day very beautiful. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
okay, ma'am, okay,
Have
thank
a
you.
good day. Have a good day.
Okay, you too. Yeah.